Disaster doesn't send a warning. It strikes with unstoppable force, leaving destruction in its wake. In an instant, huge buildings tremble in fear, oceans rise with fury, and entire landscapes are torn apart as if nature itself has gone rogue. These are shocking natural disasters that show us just how powerless we really are against the forces of Mother Nature. This is the moment a massive storm threatened to tear apart a restaurant in California. Thankfully, it didn't succeed. Watch as this massive flood uproots an entire house from its foundation and hurls it into the raging waters like a mere toy. This camera footage captured the moment a group of fishermen was nearly swallowed by the sea as a massive ice mountain suddenly collapsed. I can't imagine what was running through their minds at that moment.
We better get out of here.
Watch the funny moment Mother Nature caused a traffic standstill by flooding the road with tumbleweeds. Just as she can be terrifying, she's also quite the comedian.
Oh, that's hilarious.
A massive cloud of dust is slowly approaching the ship, an intense and truly terrifying scene unfolding in real time. This CCTV footage captured the moment a massive ice mountain suddenly collapsed into the sea without warning.
Lừa cái to khác. Xe ô tô liều quá, ôi không đi được đâu. Bay đi ngay đây này.
Watch as this massive flood transforms into a raging waterfall in China. Truly, the power of nature is unstoppable.
Đấy, đi ứng cứu kiểu gì đây, sao vượt qua được.
Watch the terrifying moment Mother Nature unleashes chaos as a massive flood sweeps through, destroying cars and buildings. This footage proves that sometimes it's best to admire the sea from a safe distance, unless you're looking to get added to the shark's lunch menu. Watch the shocking moment a raging flood turned an entire bridge into a makeshift boat and swept it away with its powerful current. The terrifying moment Mother Nature unleashes chaos as a massive flood sweeps through, destroying infrastructure and buildings.
That's gonna come whacking right down. back up here.
This is the aftermath of a massive tsunami that struck California, raising water levels by a meter after an earthquake off the coast of Japan. The destruction caused over $20 million in damages. The people of Valencia, Spain, were thrown into absolute chaos as massive flooding swept through the region, destroying millions in property. Check out this sudden moment in India when a flood rushed onto a bridge, sending cars scrambling to escape. Thankfully, everyone made it out unhurt.
This shit scares me.
You just missed it.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, wait.
Come on. Oh, everywhere. Okay, let's go.
Watch the incredible moment hikers got trapped by an avalanche, a terrifying display of nature's fury. Thanks for watching. If these shocking moments had you on the edge of your seat, make sure to subscribe for more thrilling content.